okay.
So what are we going to do then, kids? We're going to get some potatoes, are we?
Yeah.
Right, we'll put them in the wheelbarrow then. What we'll do then, if you go the other side of the wheelbarrow. Yeah. Hang on a second. Just make sure I can see you.
Spiders.
Is there?
Yeah. There's one there. There's one right there. Seed potato challenge.
Okay, then come on the other. If you go on the end there, Rowan. That's it.
I think I can see.
And we want the green ones as well. All of them.
I can see one. I saw one. There's
not many of them, think. So
Be careful because there's worms.
Yeah, there's
Just be careful because
Go on
there's
and get your hands in.
There's loads of worms everywhere.
Should we put them?
Right, hang on now. You got to go in here. Look.
Okay. Good so the mud can fall out.
Yeah.
Ew, there's rotten ones.
Yeah. Leave the rotten one.
Yeah, leave any rotten ones because we don't want.
Do it gently then. It will
We
dirt.
don't want rotten ones. We want fully.
Let's get that rotten one out, shall we?
Yeah. There's a few
Is
rotten.
there?
Yeah.
Disgusting.
Yeah, we don't want
Yeah,
rotten
that's where
here.
the baby ones grow from. That is.
Yeah.
I found one.
Yeah. Throw that one away as well then.
Rotten. Oh, yeah.
That's it. Is that it? Is it? Is that all? Oh no, that's not very good, is it? 3 potatoes. Better get another bucket.
Well,
Careful.
what is that thing?
Oh, rotten again.
I found 2 other rotten ones, one here and one there. Yep.
That's a bit 4 kilos in there.
Yeah.
Right then, let's try this lot.
I don't. Yeah, hopefully there's more in there.
Yeah, hopefully.
There's loads of
This one's
weeds.
growing.
Hopefully, yeah.
There's loads of weeds.
Hurt my hair.
Yeah.
There's loads of weeds overgrowing.
Right then, put
I
it
kind
away.
of already found one.
Put it away then.
Beep, beep.
Is that a rock? Yep, there's a rock in it. There's a one single. Oh my god. Look, there's a big.
What?
That's
Found
better.
one. Already found Should we dig down?
No, squash it all up.
Ah! Olivia, you
Big
threw that
rotten one.
me.
Oh my word.
Found
Think about-
one.
I think I might have left these too long.
Look, is that rotten?
That's okay, that one. I'll go in the basket.
There's some baby ones.
Go on the other side, Kyra.
There's worms in that one.
Worms?
There's worms.
I found one.
There's one.
Grampy, look, there's loads of worms in that one.
Yeah, they're eating it, aren't they?
Yeah, I think they really like that rotten. I think
Yeah.
they like rotten.
Well, that's not very
things.
good, is it?
No, they're eating our
Ew, there's worms.
Yes, a loads.
Any more?
I don't think
That's
so.
not good at all, is it?
Oh! On a big one. Big potato.
Okay, put that in the
Look,
basket.
there's loads of lumps on it.
Yeah, put that in the
I
basket
also
then.
found one.
Oh yeah, put it in the basket.
Oh.
Careful, careful.
Oh, look.
So leave
I
it on.
found one.
Yeah.
Mummy, she has like a little carrot that has like
Mine
little
is.
one eye. It has a nose. Draw eyes on it. Look.
That's
look.
just roots. If there's
Look,
any
draw eyes on
roots,
That
looks like a nipple.
Draw eyes on it. Put it in the basket.
just have a quickly stumble.
Grandma, if I found a potato that looks like it has like a nose so you can draw eyes
And-
on
Okay,
it.
push your fingers in.
Is that one?
Oh yeah, knobbly ones.
And I found one with loads of knobbly bits on
We
it.
might need to wash our hands.
That's not very good, is
We
it?
might need to wash our hands.
Yeah. Right, one more bucket, I think, and that's it.
What's that?
Oh, just look.
Still not going to dry, I suppose. Right. So if you come and stand this side.
Ah, there is fire! I'll stand here.
What?
Olivia, Rowan.
I see loads of things.
Olivia, stand this side there. Out of the way. Olivia.
Well, what kind of potatoes do you think they are then?
No, like they're light brown.
Oh,
That's
right.
dark
Watch fingers.
brown.
Right, go over
Those
there and
ones
then.
are dark brown. I see one. I saw a potato.
Okay.
Oh, there's a centipede in it! There's a centipede
That's a good one, isn't it?
There's a centipede!
Is it?
Oh, there's a centipede!
Where?
It's
Oh, he's gone there. Centipedes are good.
Oh my god, look how many are in this bucket. And this
Yeah.
one. Look, that one's a good one.
Well, you put that in for me as well then.
That one's huge.
It's heavy, that is.
Yeah,
Cool.
that one's
Yeah, Rowan, put that one in.
I
Why is it so big?
Lots of worms.
Lots of. There's so much in there, but most as well.
Oh, you think that's about it now, don't you?
Yeah. I got a millipede.
That's a centipede. Centipede? Do you know what the saying is?
No.
Care for centipedes, murder millipedes. Because
I love centipedes.
Centipedes eat animals and millipedes eat plants.
Hello, Bob. Already.
It's Bob, is that his name, is it?
Yeah. Bob. Oh, he's
The guys over here are potatoes. Why Here's a potatoes.
Be careful, Rowan.
I do.
And then we had a walk around the grounds of A Leaf and Ground. I'll tell you what, guys, I'll do a full video of the place one day.
There's a fossil.
Oh, the kids were fascinated with the water and the fossils and Oh, the yeah. pond and the bulrushes, which Olivia thought were where corn dogs came from. And there's a lovely play area. Kids spent some time there and it was, well, off home. Fantastic time. Thanks, guys. Oh, here's one. Here's two. One missing. Here's three.
Hello.
Right, guys. Last 3 buckets of single seed potato challenge potatoes. I'm getting these out because the ones I picked with the grandkids the other day were blooming awful. I was thinking, hoping to leave them and pick as I need them, but let's have a look. Ooh, nice one. Another big one, yeah. See, they've gone over that. Oh, it's just split, that's all. Well, there's one bucket. Right in. A few more on the top here. Ooh, got one of the rival Roberts there, look. Loads of worms. Good sized ones as well. Good size tubers. Oh, well, right, there could be one more after this. Oh, hey, that's a nice one. Loads of centipedes. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, last one. I'll tell you what, they're a fair old size, aren't they? Maybe not as big as the ones last year, but no, not to give you a, well, yeah, I'll give you a clue. They are a very, very popular British chipping potato used by You know, proper companies, chip shops and that. And that's it, guys. I'll give these a wash up, get rid of this compost, and I'll just show you what we got. I'll tell you the weight at the end of October. Well, there we are then. That's quite a lot. I think 4 buckets, not too bad. And it's a fair old size, aren't they, as well? So that's good. Some of them are better than others, obviously. And a little bit of scab on a few of them, which is I'm very pleased about, because I normally get a lot of scab. But then again, it has been rather wet, hasn't it? So scab is a symptom of dry weather, as you know. Ooh, that's quite a few bags of sugar there. So I'll weigh those when I get home, and I'll let you know, like I say, end of October, first week of November. Here we are then.